Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over what to do if it says your PlayStation 5 is not connected to the network, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply just restart your PlayStation 5 because that does tend to help, and once you do that you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is go over to settings, go over to network, and go over to connection status. Click on view PlayStation network status. If there are any issues over here, like if one of this is red, basically go back and just restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by unplugging all of the routers from the router, or sorry, unplug the power cord from the router, wait about 30 seconds, plug it back in, then you can check to see if that fixes the issue. Another method you guys can do is, instead of using a Wi-Fi connection, use a Ethernet cable instead, because that's also going to help fix, any ping issues that you're going through. So I highly recommend doing that as well. And once you do all of these steps, you should be good to go and you are all set. And I hope this video helps. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.